Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my gaming channel. And today we're playing Bee Swarm. This is the billionth time that I've tried to do it because every time I pause, it just stops the video. Like, it stops recording and stuff. And like, I can't get it back and
Oh my.
it annoyed me.
Wait.
So bad.
What
Okay.
a sprout token.
So, today I'm joined by my brother and Maddie.
Hey.
I'm sorry if you
It's
can
me.
hear noises in the background.
Yeah. Oh hey.
Yes, that's Maddie.
I won the fireflies again.
Oh yes,
This
fireflies.
week.
No, I'm coming. Can I get some? I want fireflies.
It's just Ryan. He can't, cause I'm just kidding. I don't need them.
Where are the fireflies?
Coming. Oh, they're over here.
Okay.
Yeah, they're heading to the tin area.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I've got my music on.
You're glitching out.
Oh, fireflies. And if you didn't if you didn't hear me or anything, then welcome back to my channel and stuff like that. I got fireflies. We're playing Bee Swarm.
Okay, where are the fireflies now?
Oh, a moon charm. Got it. I got the moon charm.
Where are they? It's my turn now. It's my turn to get ready for the next turn. It's your turn.
I'm sorry if you can hear noises in the background, guys.
Yeah, it's probably just my siblings. And
Yeah.
my dad.
Oh, they're coming down. They're going down. I see them.
It's your turn. I'll help you.
I got. No. Why?
Go, get it. My turn. They're over here.
Okay. Oh yes. Okay.
Where are they?
Oh. No. Where are they going now? Okay. Where are they? Oh, fudge nuggets. Okay, that's.
Where are they?
I just fell down. I don't know where they are now. And I'm dying, so. You're welcome. Oh, I found them. They're no, they're moving. No, they're going away. Bye, fireflies. The fireflies left us, guys. Okay, people. Okay. It's been 3 minutes. It feels so good to actually be back on the channel, like to post again. Like it feels good. I'm doing parkour right now, as you can see. And why are people muted?
I'm not.
Oh, you know, okay. Maddie isn't muted, I don't think. No, I fell. Okay. Hey, Maddie. Oh, a sprout has appeared. Where's the sprout? Oh, I found it. Okay.
Mushroom. No dandelion.
Yep, dandelion sprout. Maddie. Yeah, Maddie's muted herself. Okay, guys. We found ourselves the sprout. Oh, hey. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh! Money.
Back.
Okay.
Are you still recording?
Yep, I am.
Okay.
We just found my brother, people. You meet him? He's with the red hive, and he's OP. He's way too OP. Why? What the heck? It's so laggy. I'm sorry if this is really laggy, guys. Okay. Hopefully this music isn't copyrighted. I really hope, but you know.
Turn the sound off or down.
I'm sorry. Don't sue me if this is, you know. Please don't come for me if this is copyrighted, because, yeah. Okay. Let's go look at everyone's hives. I don't know why I'm doing this, but actually no, let's go do parkour. Let's go do our parkour thing. And Ryan doesn't know where it is.
What parkour?
Ha! You don't know where it is. Okay. Unless you look on my channel, then you do.
Are you still?
Oh! I look.
Are you still recording?
Yes, I'm still recording.
Check. I sent you something.
Okay.
Oh, Emily. I know the parkour. Why are you going there?
Because no, I died, people.
Emily, do you have to talk to someone?
I died. Oh, Maddie sent me something. Like, what did she send me? Can you pause it? Oh, okay. Why do you want me to pause it? Because it will just stop itself if it's paused.
Your mum?
Yeah,
She texts my dad.
I know that. You guys are hearing personal information over here. Okay.
Okay, I haven't. Wait, turn your sound off. It's getting annoying.
Yeah, okay. Okay, people, we're turning Roblox sound off.
Okay.
Well, okay.
Okay, turn the sound off. I beg of you.
That's better. Okay, guys, it's off.
Okay. Are you paused it?
No.
Please?
Okay, guys, if I'm just gonna do my outro here just in case it does stop itself. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed my video.
And hope you enjoyed this video. And
If you
you
did,
would
smash that like button.
And subscribe. And put your
Like and subscribe
So, yeah.
to help support our
YouTube channel.
what? Help and support this YouTube channel. Okay, bye, people. If this is the last time I see you, if this is not, then okay. But okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, I guess it didn't unpause itself. Okay, I mean stop itself. Okay, guys, we're gonna find little mini whole thing where you can find tickets and royal jelly cakes. The first one is over here.
Can
And
I come do it with you?
yes.
I'm coming to do it with you.
Okay.
Wait, where are you?
Okay, I'm back. So you gotta go here, and then you gotta go in here, and then you do your parkour. Oh wait, no, one thing. Okay, so you go up here, and you find a little mini token. I've already got it, but yeah.
I don't.
And then you do that, and then you go,
I'm actually
and then you do the
I don't have
parkour.
it. I didn't.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and you do the parkour. You go through here, and look, you're up on the roof. Okay, so the next one, let's go find. So the next one is over here. You do the parkour thing. Okay. So you do this parkour in the mushroom area, and you get a royal jelly. Now, I don't know how you get up there to this stick man. Look at that dude. Like, oh my gosh. So the next one, you want to come to honeybee's honey area, and you get a token. Yay. Okay. Okay, so the next